Hi, I'm Scott Houghton. I work at BCW Manufacturing Group and I'm the head of robotics and automation. I'm responsible for all existing and new manufacturing methods, which include any form of automation, robotics or assembly. I feel a key attribute which led to my nomination was my desire to support the next generation of engineers to develop into roles within engineering, and specifically robotics careers. The current educational infrastructure requires a significant update to support current fields, and I wish to assist in driving this forward. Progression and personal growth are strong driving forces for myself. There is always something new to learn or experience. These driving factors have influenced my career in pushing me to seek greater knowledge and apply it to my responsibilities. One of the biggest challenges I faced was when I first started my job at BCW. I was brought in for my robotics expertise, which at the time consisted solely of Fanuc robotics. BCW then took the decision to use a direct competitor's equipment, ABB Robotics, for their solutions. I very quickly had to apply my knowledge to this new technology and effectively received a crash course in ABB equipment. I went on to implement a number of large automated manufacturing cells within the first 12 months and actually pushed the limits of what the technology had previously been utilised for, by the way of number of CNCs integrated and the fact I devised an integration method between Fanuc CNC and ABB Robotics, something which at the time had not been accomplished in the UK. To manage the challenges of continuing manufacture over the last 18 months, there have been a number of changes necessary to reduce the negative effects of large absence due to the illness. BCW has looked at every manufacturing process to see how it can be better automated and simplified so that in the event of absence a process can continue. To manage this, roles have been created on the production floor whom training has been provided to manage the newer technology. These individuals have been upskilled within the company, which not only supports the growth of the company but also the progression of the individual in their career. If any individual is considering a career in engineering, I would strongly advise them to pursue it enthusiastically. The future of UK manufacturing depends on the subsequent generation's support and input to grow the sector. Just as the mobile phone has become second nature to the current generation and a foreign object to our grandparents, the technology of today will be learnt and adopted by the next generation just as easily. I wish each person the best of luck and look forward to the insights they will bring. As I previously stated, there is always something new to learn and experience.